In a previous video, I asked, what does Jamaica charge you if you'd like to give up your Jamaican citizenship? Someone asked, why would you give up your citizenship? First of all, yes, it's a thing. There are a couple of main reasons why a Jamaican would give up their citizenship. One reason is if you are joining the military of another country, some branches of the military require that you give up or renounce citizenship of your birth country. That actually does happen in the US. I had a client recently who had renounced his, but now that he has completed his tour, he'd like to reinstate his citizenship. Another reason a person would renounce their citizenship would be because they'd like to get a stronger passport. Now, we know with our Jamaican passport can take us to about 80 countries visa-free, and with the US passport, maybe 160, maybe 170, and then you have the really stronger top-tier passports that can take you to most of the countries in the world, maybe 98% of them visa-free. A person may renounce their citizenship to get a stronger passport. There are several countries that do not allow dual citizenship. So if perchance you were able to get citizenship of any of these countries, you would have to renounce your previous citizenship. Another reason persons give up their citizenship could be for economic reasons. You get better benefits from some countries, and they will not allow you to access these benefits if you are a dual national. So these are three of the main reasons a person would renounce their citizenship. In the next video, I'll answer the question, if you give it up, can you get it back? I'm Gail of 876 Documents. I thank you for watching.